Hello guys, welcome back to our end-to-end tutorial in which we're developing AI agents that can transform your work. So in the previous video, we learned how you can extract the 8 fields from your invoice document using an AI node so that the information can be filled up in a database in your Google Sheets, which can then further be processed to send an email. So in this video, we're going to be completing this structured workflow. And that's what we have been trying to do from the previous two videos. Okay, so we're at this particular stage in which we have 8 fields extracted by the AI node. In fact, this should be just AI node to extract. Okay, after this, we're gonna be having a node that updates that particular invoice database. So this AI agent node sends 8 individual items containing individual details about that invoice. And further on, we're gonna, oh, in fact, let's just copy paste this this particular node, copy, paste, and the text is gonna be update the invoice database. Okay, so here we have, oops, yep. So here we have 8 items that are being sent to updating the database. So what it does is actually it extracts the 8 fields and then it sends the items. But since this is internally happening, we also gotta direct the arrow from 8 fields to extract to the update invoice database. So what happens at this stage that it takes place in our Google Sheet that we made in the previous video. And once we have the Google Sheet updated, we're gonna be passing on the details so that we can craft an email and send it to our team. So this will be happening by having another node that sends the email node, send email node, and this will be Gmail that sends the email node and uses some of the extracted fields like the invoice number, invoice date, due date, etc. So yeah, some of the extracted fields. Okay, so the next one we have an email template that we're gonna use to feed in the AI node so that it crafts the email in the same format every single time that it sends the email. And there's gonna be predefined email address that we're gonna send to. This is not going to be a customized one that we extract from the document, but we're going to define this in the configuration itself so that it sends the email to this particular address every single time, because we know that we just have one team that we need to send the email to and not anyone else. So yeah, this is our send email node. You know what? In fact, the ideal case should be like this whole thing should move a little bit to the right, and in the middle we would have an AI node that we would use to craft the email with. Yes, so this is this is our node in which we would craft the email using AI node. And yeah, we are coloring every AI node with green, and all the nodes that are not AI are blue. And the start and end is yellow. Yeah, so I just mentioned that because just to make sure that you do not get confused with the coloring style. So yeah, some of the extracted fields. You know what? This is something that should go in the AI node and not directly to the send email node, because we're gonna be using that extracted fields into the AI node, so that the AI node uses these information to craft an email. So it's gonna be here, and since AI is gonna be making or writing the email template should also be under AI node. And yeah, that's pretty much accurate. Billing example stays the same because in this particular node we have to define the receiver's address. Yep. So we made an email over here, then send it using Gmail node. And after this, we are pretty much done with the workflow. We just have to end this. So here you go. End. Yep. So this is our workflow. This is the overall idea of our workflow. Hope this is not confusing. I've tried my best to break it down into every single step that it is composed of. First, we went ahead with importing the Google Drive folder, and then noticing all the new invoices that are being created over there, and then it goes further. Let's summarize this in the next video, and from the next video onwards we can get on to building this workflow in NetN itself. So let's see what magic it does. Hope you are interested and really excited about learning AI agents and how you can use them in your workflow. Till then, stay tuned and happy learning.